In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add map view to your Trello boards. Map view is a great way to see your work by location. If you manage site visits, events, deliveries, or any tasks tied to places, a map gives you instant spatial context and helps you plan smarter. First, head to Trello.com. Make sure you're in your account so you can access your boards. From the main navigation, click Boards to open the list of boards you have access to. This shows everything in your workspace in one place, so you can quickly pick the project you want to visualize, choose the board you want and open it. It's helpful to pick a board where your cards either already include location details or where you plan to add them, since the map highlights cards with addresses or place names. At the top of the board, look for the Views section. You'll see a drop-down or a button that might be labeled Views or Board Views. Click that to reveal the different ways you can look at your board. From that menu, select Map. Trello will switch from the standard list layout to a map layout. You'll see a map centered on your region, and any card with a recognized location will appear as a pin. Clicking a pin shows the card's title and quick details, and you can open the card from there if you need the full context. If your map looks empty, that usually means your cards don't have locations yet. The map only displays cards with a location set, so once those details exist on your cards, they'll appear here automatically. Also note that availability of map view can depend on your workspace plan and permissions. If you don't see map in the list, check with your admin or workspace owner. A few tips to get the most from this view: use the map controls to zoom in and out, and drag to pan around different areas. If pins are clustered, zoom closer to separate them. You can apply your usual board filters to narrow down what you see by list, label, due date, or assignee, which is perfect for planning routes or focusing on a specific region. And when you're done, you can return to your regular board by opening the same views menu and choosing your preferred layout. That's it. You went to Trello, opened your board, used the views drop-down and switched to map. With that, your location-based work is easier to see, prioritize, and act on. Thanks for watching and happy mapping.